cryptocurrencies. It's the larger overarching fear over AI valuations, and that is keeping global markets on the edge. Investors are, of course, waiting Nvidia's earnings later tonight. Microsoft, by the way, has joined hands with Nvidia to pour $15 billion into OpenAI's biggest rival, Anthropic, forming a new alliance. Google has launched Gemini-3 as the battle with ChatGPT intensifies. Rachna standing by with all the AI action. Rachna, let's start with Google. Tell us more about Gemini-3.
That's right. Google's newest model, Gemini-3, is being positioned as a major leap in its AI capabilities with stronger reasoning, deeper multimodal analysis, and long context performance. It's already powering AI mode in search and rolling out across Google's apps and enterprise tools. But this breakthrough comes at a moment when market sentiment around AI is beginning to shift. Some of the biggest names that powered this year's AI rally are now giving back significant value. Nvidia has seen more than $500 billion wiped off its market cap after touching a milestone of $5 trillion. Now, Palantir was also dropped sharply, losing almost $90 billion in November alone. And Alphabet, after months of strong gains, has cooled as well, with estimates suggesting it's down roughly $500 billion from its recent peak as investors reassess just how much optimism is already priced into it. Now, this change in mood is also being echoed from within the industry. And none other than Google CEO Sundar Pichai has publicly now warned that the parts of AI boom are showing elements of irrationality, saying that no company, including Google, is fully insulated if the sector unwinds. Adding to the caution is Michael Burry, the investor who famously predicted the 2008 housing crash, taking large short positions against major AI names. At the same time, the competitive landscape is being reshaped as well by one of the biggest AI alliances announced this year. OpenAI's largest investor, Microsoft, is now joining hands with the ChatGPT maker's biggest rival, Anthropic. Microsoft and Nvidia and Anthropic, they've signed a three-way partnership in a deal that goes far beyond a standard cloud deal. Anthropic has committed up to $30 billion of compute on Microsoft's Azure cloud. Nvidia is investing up to $10 billion into the company, and Microsoft is adding up to $5 billion of its own. The agreement also includes the option for Anthropic to scale to 1 gigawatt of additional compute capacity that will be one of the largest single AI infrastructure commitments on record. As Wall Street now turns cautious on the AI story, big tech is forging several partnerships where rivals are joining hands, hoping to maintain the growth momentum. Back to you.
Well, plenty that's moving in the AI ecosystem. Many thanks, Rachna, for joining us. And Elon Musk's artificial intelligence